Smart Money Nation, I am back at your head top with another money making video. As always, if you are not subscribed to the nation, please hit that red subscribe button and join us. I drop videos like this every single day, up to 3 times a day, so you don't want to miss out. And if you do not have the notification bell, please hit the notification bell so you are notified every time I do drop a video or go live. Not to waste any time, to get started, let's go to the opportunity at hand. It is called GoShare.co. This is an offline opportunity, right? So it's not typical for me to bring you guys an offline opportunity, but this is something I will be bringing more often. It's just opportunities even offline for you to kind of level up and go to the next level financially, mentally, and physically, right? So GoShare is an opportunity for you to earn a lot more money, work at your own pace, time, and just own your time. That's the key thing, right? So as you develop, what you want to do is you want to earn more money and have more time to yourself, right? So those are the two things that you want to do. So this is one of the things that will help you earn a lot more money while also having a lot more time to yourself, to help you prepare to elevate to the next level beyond this. GoShare is a cargo van delivery company, but not just cargo van. As you can see, they do box trucks, cargo vans, pickup trucks, even regular cars, SUVs, and minivans, right? So they give you the opportunity to turn your car into a way for you to make some money on your own pace as a 1099 contractor. So we can go over what qualifies, what doesn't qualify, how much you can expect to earn, things like that. So as you can see, these are all the types of vehicles that qualify and how much you can expect to earn, right? So these are the average earnings for people with these type of vehicles, right? So people with somebody with a pickup truck could expect to earn $46 to $52 per hour. Somebody with a cargo van could expect to earn $63 to $71 an hour. True story. This is one of the things that I did to get from a time where I was doing, ride share and different gig opportunities, was buy a cargo van like this itself to be more in control of how much I make and my time as well. And it's a great way to get to that next point in your life to prepare you, for something even bigger, is, grabbing a cargo van. But yeah, so the cargo van can make you $63 to $71, and box truck is, of $85 an hour on average. And then even if you have a regular car, you can do courier service in your regular car and make $36 to $42 per hour. That's better than doing Uber, Lyft. That's better than doing, deliveries with Postmates and DoorDash and things like that. So this is something you want to consider if you are in that line of work. You might want to reconsider what you're doing with your vehicle and give this a spin and see what happens. And then you also have a fleet. If you want to look at this from a business mindset, and grab you a few vehicles and hire a few drivers, or if you have friends and family that you want to put to work, you can register a fleet of vehicles. So this is a great opportunity to explore, to be able to make some decent money. How it works, this is pretty much how it works. You download the app. Once you're approved to be a courier on the app, you get a delivery alert. You accept the delivery that you want to accept, and you decline the ones you don't want to accept. Once you accept one, you go pick up the delivery, and then you deliver it where it's supposed to go, right? You arrive at the pickup's address and deliver it where you're supposed to deliver it at, and you get paid, right? The customers pay you in direct deposit in 4 days, right? So you get paid every 4 days, that's not bad at all. You can, as long as you have, all you need to do is be able to pay for your gas for 4 days, and be able to keep up with that until you get paid in 4 days. And if you are somebody that's been watching my channel and my videos, you understand I've showed you a way to get gas credit lines, right? With Shell, the Shell Plus Fleet credit line that gave you $10,000. Even if it's not 10,000, maybe 1,000, 2,000, whatever it is, it would hold you over for 4 days. So there's plenty of ways for you to kind of substitute having to pay for gas for 4 days if you can't make that. So this is a great way, right? So, you know, reasons to join, like I said, flexible hours. This is very key to go. If you want to get to the next level in life, you need some time to kind of think about what that next opportunity is. You need time to hunt down the next opportunity. If you don't have time for your mind to think about that, to hunt that down, you can't possibly get to the next place. So you need flexible hours. And then the pay, you need a higher pay. You cannot possibly level up making $15 an hour. You can't level up making $20 an hour. It's just not gonna work. You gotta, you know, take it to the next level where you're making more money and having a little more time to yourself. That's the key, and this offers that. So this is something I definitely would definitely recommend for you guys to jump into to get you to that next point. So if you are working gig jobs, if you are working you know, lower paying jobs, this is a good opportunity to kind of step up your income and reclaim your time a bit. So this is GoShare.co. I do not have a referral link for this, but I will leave the link, like always, below in the description. And I'll be back at you with another video. Please hit the like button if this was somewhat useful to you at all. If you're not a part of the nation, please hit the subscribe button so you can see when I drop videos like this every day. Hit that, you know, bell, hit that bell so you are able to know when I go live or drop videos if you are subscribed already. But I appreciate you guys for listening. I will see you guys in the next video.